Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's learn how to do this nail design today. So for today's design, I have my base ready and prepped here. You can use any colors that you want. I chose white and black. Now take some scotch tape and apply it as I show you. So I have the tape applied on my middle and ring finger right here. We can move on to the little finger and the index finger later on. So let me take this Lakme polish of mine and apply it on my middle and ring finger. Now peel the tape as quickly as you can. So both these fingers are ready to go. Moving on, let's do our little finger and our index finger. Apply the tape in the same way for these both as well. So the tape is applied and now I'm going to take my stamping plate. I am going to use this design right here. So now we got the design right here and I'm going to stamp this on my nail right now. Let me do this on the remaining of my nails and I'll be back. So now that my nails are stamped, I have my rose gold striping tape here in order to complement all the nails together. Moving on to the last step is to add a top coat. We will add this top coat to seal in our design. That is it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.